And I mean, that's the whole spirit around here. It's a really big team effort. Everybody helps out everybody, and I've enjoyed being here so much for the first few weeks, so I'm really glad to be here.
Edney Distributing is a 70-year-old family company. We are a wholesale distributor of agricultural, lawn and turf, forestry, and light industrial equipment. So we buy equipment from manufacturers from all over the world, and we bring that equipment to the upper Midwest, where we sell it through our network of retail dealers. Our company exists to support several different types of stakeholders. So number one, we support our suppliers. We purchase millions and millions of dollars of equipment from suppliers from all over the world. We also exist to support our dealers. Our network of equipment dealers ranges from 1,200 to 1,500 dealers in the upper Midwest and into Canada. When they are able to buy innovative, cost-effective, reliable equipment from us to sell to their customers know they can count on them.
It is humbling to be like part of the process, because you know when you order something, whether you know it or not, you are paying for and contributing to all the hands that it has to go through to get it there. And so to be a part of that and to see it through, lining things up from manufacturer to end user, making sure that the people and businesses that rely on us get what they need and are taken care of and have a face they can talk to, that's really important.
First off is integrity. You want somebody who's going to be honest in their dealings, of course, both on your side and the dealer side, because when they're out there talking to the dealers, they're representing you as well as themselves. Yeah. And then from the manufacturing standpoint, integrity and distribution really comes down to doing what you say you're going to do in your contract. And we've never heard one bad thing about it.
End users are the customers of our dealers, and those are the people who are actually using the products. So they are out mowing lawns with grasshopper mowers or shredding bales for animal bedding with a Teagle bale processor. And when they're out in the field, if they have a problem, they go to their dealer, and if their dealer can't help or needs additional help, we're there to support that. We support our employees, our current employees today, our employee owners of our company.
They absolutely care about each and every one of us as a person and not just as an employee of the company.
What does that look like?
That looks like every day you come in, it's hi, how are you? Anything that happens personally in your life, they are there to support you. They're just really great people.
We have retirees who are still receiving payouts from their employee stock ownership plan. And then we also have 401k plan that benefits our retirees as well. All Edney team members are guided by a common set of values. The first one is integrity. We are committed to doing business the way we always have, with honesty, commitment, and follow-through. The second one is service excellence. As a customer-driven business, our single-minded focus is on providing positive experiences. Next up is teamwork. With complementary skills, our people are committed to supporting each other, drawing on unique areas of experience, education, and skills to meet our obligations and surpass our customers' expectations. Next is connection. We maintain relationships throughout the industry and the world to offer our dealers a unique line of products to meet their customers' varied needs. And finally, innovation. Grounded by our values, we are committed to continued growth and innovation. From seeking new manufacturers and cutting-edge projects to implementing the latest technology to speed delivery of customer service, market our products, and streamline operations, we are open to change, and we use our agility to respond quickly to changing business needs.
Well, I think core values are timeless. And our core values are much the same as many businesses, but they don't change over time. Business ethics and integrity are the same now as they were 40 years ago. and will be the same 50 years from now. So I don't think that changes, but what does change is people's willingness to live their core values, and I think that's something that we've done in this business.
Our culture is really heavily informed by our ESOP, Employee Stock Ownership Plan. Because our employees own a piece of the business, they really care. They really care. And you see that in every action they take, from how they maintain the forklift, how they talk to someone on the phone, the extra steps they take to go the extra mile. Our people really care.
When you ask somebody, you're like, man, we're struggling in the upper Midwest. Who can we get? Who do you? And they just look at you and say, we've got Edney.
At Edney Distributing, we are problem solvers.